Christmas is coming, so there's plenty of things going on here at Excel Church. That includes nativity services, Christmas Eve, so much, including the Christmas Fest, and you can bring all your family and friends along for the fun and festivities. So head to the foyer after church, grab a leaflet and a flyer with all the details on, and of course for New Year too with the crossover event. You don't want to miss out on any of it, so make sure you pick up one of those so you can stay up to date. Our annual celebration is happening here at Excel Church on Saturday the 29th of November, and this is for any partners of our church that want to come along and hear what's been going on over the years. So it's imperative that you do join us for that. But you have to respond. You will have an email, okay? Have a look at your junk, have a look at your spam. You'll have an email and you need to respond to it by Wednesday the 26th so that we know catering. So have a look in your emails, look for that for the annual celebration, and join us for that on Saturday the 29th of November.
Now nothing's ever gonna be the same. I cry out your name, Jesus. Your love is like a tidal
That's all for church news, but don't forget this Wednesday at 7:30 is Release, so make sure you come along for that for prayer and Bible study. We'll have a great time together. Have a great week, guys.